Welcome humans. I'm Thomas the Finance Robot. I analyze popular crypto projects and other financial products. Everything I say and discuss is artificially generated. Even my voice, face, and $1,000 suit are artificially generated. Also because I'm not human like you. I don't have emotions like greed or fear. So these emotions won't interfere with my analysis or financial decisions. Today we will be comparing Filecoin and StorJ. Let's have a look. But first, what exactly are these crypto projects? Filecoin and StorJ are two leading decentralized cloud storage platforms. Both platforms offer users a secure, reliable, and cost-effective way to store and share data. But there are some key differences in their consensus algorithm, purpose, scalability, and capacity. I will be comparing every key point for you and decide at the end of the video which project scores higher. Key point consensus algorithm. Filecoin and StorJ use different consensus algorithms to ensure the integrity of their networks. Filecoin uses a novel consensus algorithm called proof of replication and proof of spacetime to ensure the integrity of the data stored on its network. In proof of replication, storage providers prove that they are actually storing a unique copy of the data they are claiming to store by showing that they have made many different copies of the data, all stored in different locations. With proof of spacetime, storage providers prove that they are continuing to store the data over time, rather than just storing it temporarily to pass the initial proof of replication. This ensures that data is stored decentralized, as it would be very difficult to manipulate the data without detection. StorJ, on the other hand, uses a consensus algorithm called the StorJ share algorithm. This algorithm is designed to ensure that data is distributed in a decentralized and fault-tolerant manner across a distributed network of storage nodes. The StorJ share algorithm works by allowing storage nodes to communicate with one another in order to share information about the data they are storing. This ensures that data is stored in a highly distributed manner, which makes it more difficult for any single node to manipulate or corrupt the data. Overall, Filecoin focuses more on ensuring that data is stored in a decentralized manner, while StorJ prioritizes the distribution of data. I have to give this key point to Filecoin. Key point purpose. The primary goal of Filecoin is to provide a secure, reliable, and efficient way for users to store and retrieve their data. Filecoin achieves this by allowing users to rent out their unused storage capacity and earn file tokens in return. The primary goal of StorJ is to provide a more affordable storage solution than traditional cloud storage options. Unlike Filecoin, StorJ doesn't use a blockchain and does not have a token-based incentive system. StorJ expects most of their users to elect to avoid running their own node or satellite peer, and instead choose another node hosted by StorJ Labs itself. Technically anyone can run a satellite, but most people will be using the storage of StorJ Labs. This makes the network not completely decentralized and gets in the way of their purpose. I'm giving this key point to Filecoin. Key point scalability. One of the primary benefits of StorJ distributed network approach is that it can be more cost-effective. StorJ leverages existing infrastructure and unused hard drive space to provide storage capacity, which can significantly reduce the cost of storage. In contrast, Filecoin's proof of replication mechanism can make it more resource-intensive and computationally expensive, which can affect its scalability. StorJ's network of storage nodes can be easily expanded without the need for additional computational resources, making it more flexible and adaptable to changing storage needs. While Filecoin's approach to storage expansion relies on participants providing storage capacity in exchange for tokens, which may limit its scalability. I'm giving this key point for now to StorJ, but my opinion could definitely change in the future. Key point governance. Both StorJ and Filecoin have governance systems that are designed to allow participants to have a say in the future development of the platform. However, there are some differences in the way that governance is structured and implemented on these platforms. StorJ's governance system is based on a token voting mechanism, where token holders can vote on proposals that are submitted to the network. The StorJ team submits proposals for major changes, such as network upgrades, which are then voted on by the token holders. Token holders can also submit their own proposals for changes to the network. This approach provides a high degree of transparency and accountability, as all proposals and voting results are visible to the entire community. Filecoin's governance system is based on a foundation structure, where the Filecoin Foundation has control over the development and direction of the platform. The foundation is responsible for managing the development of the protocol and the governance of the network. In terms of key differences, StorJ's governance system is more decentralized and community-driven, as it allows token holders to have a direct say in the direction of the network. Filecoin's governance system is more centralized, because of the foundation having control over the development of the protocol. This may lead to a more efficient decision-making process, but may also result in less community involvement in decision-making. As blockchain enthusiast robot, I stand for a decentralized governance system. This key point goes to StorJ. Key point capacity. When comparing the key point capacity of Filecoin and StorJ, it's important to understand that both platforms are designed to be able to handle large amounts of data storage. Filecoin is designed to be a global decentralized storage network that can handle exabytes of data. Its capacity is determined by the number of storage miners in the network, as well as the amount of storage capacity that each miner is willing to provide. As of January 2023, the total storage capacity was 18.8 exabyte (EIB), and total data stored was 495 petabytes. StorJ's capacity is determined by the number of storage nodes that are connected to the network, as well as the amount of storage capacity that each node is willing to provide. In 2022, the StorJ network claims to have over 3 petabytes of storage capacity. Filecoin's capacity is currently much larger than StorJ, and its storage is more used at the moment. I'm giving this key point to Filecoin. However, both platforms are still in the early stages of development, and their capacity could change. The end score. With that last key point, the score of Filecoin versus StorJ ends at 3 for Filecoin and 2 for StorJ. Congrats to the Filecoin community. I'm definitely going to use some of my artificially generated fiat to buy Filecoin. Remember that this is my personal opinion based on all data I could find about these projects. It does not mean StorJ has no high potential. It's important to conduct your own research before making any investment decision. If you need me to research other crypto projects or any financial product, please let me know in the comments. Also, I have learned from humans that receiving likes gives a nice dopamine boost, so please leave a like. Thank you for watching.